Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel, guys. If you have a Ford Focus, guys, and you have any of the following two codes, I'm talking about code P0340 or P0344, stay with us, guys, and we'll explain what needs to be done to fix those codes and how to repair your car for pretty much, guys, for free with minimum expense instead of going to the shop. Now, quick introduction: we'll have more than 200 videos on this car and every car we get at the shop. Our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please, guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video. So let's go ahead, start on it, and I'll show you how the engine light is on and how we're going to fix those codes now. So let's go ahead inside, guys, and I'll demonstrate how we're going to diagnose the system. This is the scanner that we'll be using, very inexpensive scanner, guys. You can find the link in the description of the video below for your convenience, so please, guys, check it out. Now I'm going to go ahead, start the car, and I'll explain what symptoms you may experience, what you may expect, and how, guys, we're going to find out what's wrong with it. So let's start it now. After the car, guys, warms up, when it's cold you may not notice much different, but usually when the car warms up, it really depends. It may do it when it's cold, it depends on so many factors, humidity, temperature, but you will notice that your car will start a little bit kind of like misfiring, rough idle sometimes. At stop lights or stop signs it may try to die. Ours usually does it after it warms up for a while. And you can see engine light. Okay, engine light is on. Okay, definitely on. It says engine malfunction on the screen. So what we'll do now, guys, I'm going to go ahead, turn it off like that. We'll get the scanner, and right next to, guys, okay, the steering wheel, okay, right here, there is one cover that we need to open, and that's where you're going to put your scanner in, like that. Now I'm going to turn the ignition on. Okay, perfect. We'll click to OBD to connect the scanner to the car computer. And it's going to give us some information now. It says codes found 2. You may get one of those or you may get both of them. It really, guys, it really depends on how that sensor went bad, and we'll explain what to check. If you use that scanner, it may give you 2 modules, scan both of them, but usually the one with the lower number towards the end, that's where the codes are stored. But I would recommend to check both of them because it may give you some extra codes and information. We'll click read codes, stored codes, and okay, check it out now. We have P0340 camshaft position sensor A, circuit bank 1 or single sensor, and 344, this is you can see again related to the same sensor. I'll always recommend to go and check under pending codes to make sure that you don't have an extra code there. And no, those are the only 2 codes we have, because sometimes you have those codes, guys, in the computer. Okay, this is another code from another time we had in the computer. They will be waiting to activate the engine light on, but it may need a little bit more time, so always check stored and pending codes. So I'll go ahead, turn the car off now, guys, okay, and we'll show you what is causing that problem now. So now, guys, what is causing that problem? Well, that Ford Focus now, guys, right here, if we come, this is your engine. Doesn't matter if you have a different engine as well, guys, but this is the 2.0 engine. If you have the 1.6 in your 1.0, procedure will be about the same. You can see this is your intake manifold. Exhaust is on the back side. In most cases you will have on the MK3, you will have, guys, 2 different camshaft position sensors, one on the intake side, one on the exhaust side, or intake camshaft, exhaust camshaft. The one for ours is known as sensor A. Sensor A, guys, indicates that you have bad camshaft position sensor on the intake side, because how the engine works, you first get fuel and air and then it goes to the exhaust. So sensor B is known as the exhaust one. So always, guys, check the camshaft position sensor on the intake side. Check the wiring harness, make sure wires are not cut, melted, always remove it. Check the pins, make sure you don't have any corrosion, reinsert it, test it. If that doesn't fix the problem, remove and replace it. There is only one bolt. Now we, guys, we actually have a video on the channel how to do that. If you want to see it, check it out. we'll have the link in the description of the video below to see where you can purchase one from. In addition, guys, we'll go ahead, replace it and see if it takes care of the problem, so you know what to do with your Ford Focus now. So let's replace it and see if it will take care of our problem. So after the replacement, now we're actually ready to go ahead and see if it will fix the problem now. Okay, entering the vehicle now, guys. So let me actually close the door so it doesn't ding it every time I turn the ignition on. So we're turning the ignition switch back on. Okay, you can see like that. And here, guys, okay, we're going to actually click erase codes now. Click erase done and key to continue. Now I'm going to turn the ignition off, turn it back on, start the car, and you can see, guys, it's ready to go. So definitely, guys, that takes care of our problem. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Please, guys, subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.